2026 Honda Pilot Big Changes. Honda Pilot 2026 Big Changes Design Refresh. The exterior features a more prominent grille and a redesigned front fascia for a tougher look. New exterior colors like solar, silver, metallic, and smoke blue, pearl are available. Tech upgrades. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen replacing smaller previous screens and a 10.2-inch digital driver display are now standard, featuring Google-built interior and comfort. The cabin is quieter due to improved insulation and acoustic spray foam. Higher trims receive updated upholstery, such as Ultra Suede with diamond stitching. Standard features. A power liftgate and roof rails are now standard across all trim levels. Performance. The 3.5 liters V6 engine, 285 horsepower, 262 pounds-ft, and 10-speed automatic transmission remain. Wheat, improved more responsive steering tuned. Trim-specific updates. Trail Sport continues with specialized all-wheel drive, with new styling cues and ash green metallic paint option. Touring Elite feature new 20-inch shark gray wheels. Black Edition returns as the top-tier fully loaded model. 2026 Honda Pilot Performance Specs engine, 3.5-liter V6 power, 285 horsepower, transmission, 10-speed automatic, fuel economy, AWD aprox 19 sit, y entre 25 highway. Towing! Up to 5,000 pounds standard! Display. Features the 5-inch full TFT screen introduced in 2025 with Honda Road Sync for smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and music control.